As per the specialized examination of AXIE endlessness costs expected in 2023, the base cost of AXIEs will be around $6.15. The greatest value that the AXIEs can reach is $18.70. Based on our AXIE limitlessness cost expectation 2025, the cost of AXIEs token is anticipated to rise and reach $34 toward the finish of 2025. AXIEs coin cost expectation 2030. AXIE vastnesses cost for 2030, as per our estimate, will be in a reach between $65 to $90, and the typical cost of AXIEs may be around $77. Cryptographic forms of money have bit by bit pervaded the standard cognizance and got some decent forward movement. Be that as it may, a large number of them neglect to endure for the long haul and will keep on doing as such, gave it seize mass reception. At the point when a progressive resource stepped in, this was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority earn, for no particular reason. About AXIE vastness universe. Play to acquire games have become very famous throughout the course of recent years. AXIE vastness is one of the most amazing P2E gaming universe, rotating around Pokemon-esque animals known as AXIEs. It empowers players to gather and mint NFTs. To play AXIE boundlessness, players need to have the stage's local digital money. AXIE endlessness shards AXIEs. AXIEs was sent off in November 2020, and players can purchase, exchange and procure AXIEs tokens by playing the game. What is AXIE boundlessness? AXIEs, being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry. AXIE boundlessness is based on Ethereum organization. There are endless approaches to procuring AXIE, yet being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, i.e., blockchain remunerating players for commitment, is completely unfathomable in the realm of AXIE limitlessness. AXIE endlessness biological system is based on the Ethereum blockchain. AXIEs is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and fabricate utilizing cryptographic money. Players can procure the AXIEs crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight, non-fungible token. NFT games have acquired enormous prominence around the world. Subsequently, this might help the general development of the AXIE biological system in according to our Ethereum cost expectation. From one perspective, the AXIE universe represents a gaming and diversion time. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem, wherein it sets out work open doors for the general population and fabricates a vibe of a solid local area, cutting the guide to a manageable stage. Clients can possess the local AXIE endlessness of the AXIE commercial center, gather them and use them across an always growing universe of games. Conceptualizing the AXIE limitlessness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The upsides of blockchain go past lines and the constraints of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, AXIE endlessness (AXIEs) is set to make lives more engaged and quick. In a special manner, the AXIE vastness convention has likewise added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They additionally came in bundles, be it excess expenses, speed, or pretend of brokers. AXIEs altogether centers around offering clients the advantage of effective information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and perfect. In this way legitimizing its worldview job in the advanced ecospace. AXIE endlessness specialized investigation. With a market cap of $1,094,770,526 and an exchanging volume of $68,245,862, AXIE endlessness's ongoing cost activity mirrors a colossal recuperation. The AXIE endlessness's cost weights around $9.8 with a record-breaking high and low of $165.37 and $0.1234, separately, in the crypto market. AXIE boundlessness has an ongoing coursing supply of 111,752,500 AXIEs, and the originators behind AXIE limitlessness are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of AXIE endlessness has a great deal of vows to view for its fans, according to their specialized investigation. As indicated by specialized investigation, AXIEs tokens have been exchanging incredibly negatively. Subsequent to stirring things up around town, the token revised greatly and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Be that as it may, the future cost of AXIE vastness, AXIEs, is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is AXIE boundlessness still the best coin to purchase in 2023? AXIE boundlessness universe offers many advantages, However, the year 2022 was not awesome for the cryptographic money market. The market was incredibly unpredictable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was additionally ominous. AXIE holders might add more tokens to average their property, yet for new financial backers, it is a hazardous chance to enter the market. In any case, since the cost is supposed to rise, merchants who can manage the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these AXIE vastness shards. Instability is the greatest survivor of the crypto market. It goes with speculation choices and expectations the most difficult. Be that as it may, our unprejudiced crypto conjecture will make the interaction more straightforward for you. Will the AXIE endlessness AXIE's cost go up? Peruse our AXIE endlessness value expectation to know the fate of the AXIE token. As per Wallet Financial Backers' AXIE's cost expectation, it is a terrible long-haul speculation, as the cost in the following year might drop to $0.343. While, as indicated by our AXIE boundlessness gauge, the AXIE's cost could start an upturn and cross $19 toward the finish of 2025, making it a wise speculation. As per GovCapital, AXIE vastness has a promising future. It is anticipated that the cost of AXIE limitlessness might skyrocket to $556.9, making it a wise speculation by 2027, while the value expectations examination proposes that the cost of AXIE boundlessness might reach $239.81 by 2030. AXIE limitlessness value forecast 2023. Our AXIE limitlessness, AXIE's cost forecast, proposes that the symbolics cost could record a fair recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the AXIE limitlessness's cost is determined to have a most extreme worth of $18.70, while the typical cost might be around $12. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.15. AXIE limitlessness coin value forecast 2024. According to our AXIE limitlessness cost expectation, the AXIE's coin will precede the upswing as long as possible, and its greatest worth might reach $28.85, while the base cost might be $15.69. Simultaneously, the AXIE token could have a typical cost around $23. It is normal that the AXIE's financial backers might acquire fair benefits in the year. AXIE endlessness value forecast 2025. AXIE endlessness AXIE's in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $30.2, while the base and most extreme AXIE endlessness cost may be $25.50 and $34.05. Separately, in view of our AXIE boundlessness coin cost expectation 2025, AXIE's value expectation 2026. According to the AXIE limitlessness gauge, the AXIE's coins could arrive at the greatest worth of $42.15, with a base cost of $33.43. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $37.85. In view of our cost expectations, the AXIE endlessness coins cost ascend for the year may be enormous. AXIE vastness crypto value forecast 2027. In view of the specialized examination and AXIE endlessness expectation, the crypto